You want to make passive income, but you don't have a ton of cash to get started, right? No problem. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 low-cost real strategies how you can start today. No fluff, no gimmicks, just straight up ways to earn money while you sleep. Let's dive in. First up, print on demand. Ever wonder how people make money selling t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases? You can too without spending a cent upfront. With platforms like Redbubble and Teespring, you upload your designs and they do the rest. No inventory, no shipping hassles. You get paid every time someone buys your design. You don't even need to be a graphic designer. Canva makes it easy to wipe up designs to sell. Get a few designs up and let them generate income for you over and over again. Next up, and this is big, EstateX. Forget saving up for years to buy real estate. With EstateX, you can invest in properties for as little as €100 or $1. Imagine owning a piece of real estate without worrying about huge loans or being the landlord. EstateX lets you buy fractional ownership in properties and then earn passive income from rent and property appreciation. They handle the property management and you sit back and collect your share of the income. Real estate has never been this accessible. EstateX is changing the game. Don't miss out. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is one of the most underrated ways to make money online. You don't need to create your own products. Just promote products you love. And when someone buys through your link, you earn commissions. Simple, right? Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale. Then start recommending products you already use and love. The trick? Make it personal. People trust recommendations from real people. So share your link and watch those commissions roll in. Lastly, digital products. This is one of the most scalable passive income streams out there. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or even printable templates, you create it once and it sells forever. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy make it super easy to sell digital products. Imagine creating an ebook or a set of printables and having it sell while you sleep. Whether you're a writer, designer, or just someone with valuable knowledge to share, there's a digital product in you waiting to make you money. 4 super simple ways to start earning passive income right now, even if you don't have a lot of money to start with. The best part, these strategies work on autopilot, meaning they make you money while you focus on other things. The only thing stopping you from making passive income is not starting. So take action now. Pick one of these strategies and go all in. You have got nothing to lose and passive income to gain. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and share with anyone else. Thanks for watching. Let's build that passive income.
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.